Welcome to M365 Professional. Want to spend less time creating schedules and more time on value-add work? Streamline shift scheduling processes with Shifts in Microsoft Teams. Start by opening the Shifts app, then go to New Schedule. Select Create next to the team the schedule is for and set the time zone and city. Then start to create organization in the schedule by adding groups for the different roles or departments on the team, and name them according to their corresponding departments. Next, add the right workers to the right groups by selecting Add People to search for the names that need to be added. Once all the individuals have been added, create and assign the shifts. To assign a shift to a specific team member, hover over the person's schedule and select Add Shift to create a new shift in the schedule. Add any shift details such as color coding time frame. Shift-specific notes. Label and underlying activities. Then select Save to add the shift to the schedule.
Repeat until all shifts are created. Copy and paste using keyboard shortcuts across the entire schedule.
Once the
schedule is built, select Share with Team. When the schedule is published, all members are notified. Create and publish schedules for your teams more efficiently with Shifts in Microsoft Teams.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.